This video is about types of organic reactions. So the keyword in the question is the reactants of the process of converting benzene into phenylamine. And the concept is benzene to phenylamine. So the first step is to convert benzene into nitrobenzene. Firstly, we need nitric acid, which is HNO3, and sulfuric acid acting as a catalyst, H2SO4. And this reaction occurs under the environment of 50 degrees Celsius. And the result, we would get NaO2 positive and H2O. And so the Na2 positive, which is nitronium ion, is an electrophile, which qualifies to be a reactant to react with benzene. Here's a benzene molecule, and then we have Na2 plus, and the positive will be attracted to the electrons in the ring of benzene, and a pair of electrons in the ring will be given to Na2 plus and form a bond between carbon and nitrogen. And so now the ring loses its aromaticity, so it's like stability, so it becomes positive, and it's shown by the broken ring, like so. And I'm actually going to show you the bond between carbon and hydrogen, because the pair of electron here will be donated back into the carbocation and restore its aromaticity of the benzene ring. So as a result, we would get a benzene with a completed ring that is bonded to NaO2. And NaO2 actually replaced hydrogen breaks off from benzene to make H+. And so the summary equation for this first step is benzene plus nitric acid reacting with the catalyst of sulfuric acid, and it's under the 50 degrees Celsius environment, to make nitrobenzene and water as a byproduct. Step is the reduction of nitrobenzene. Here's nitrobenzene, and it needs to be reduced, so we need a reducing agent, which is zinc, and therefore zinc will be oxidized. And you can see this is like a redox reaction. And also this needs to occur under an acidic environment, so we also need H+ in the equation. And the product of this reaction, it's a reduced nitrobenzene in the form of C6H5NH3 positive, as well as zinc 2 positive and water as the byproduct. Lastly, the third step is the formation of phenylamine. It's a molecule of reduced nitrobenzene that we got from the previous step, and it's acting as an acid reacting with a base, which is OH negative. And so one of the H in the reduced nitrobenzene will be donated to the OH negative, which is a base, so it accepts a proton, and as a result we get C6H5NH2 and water. And so this C6H5NH2 here is our final product of phenylamine, or also known as aniline, and you can see that name pop up sometimes in the test as well. Going back to the question, it's asking for the reactants, so let's recap. In the first step, we need nitric acid as well as sulfuric acid, so that works with option C. And then the second step, we need zinc, and it's under the acidic environment of H plus, and H plus we get from hydrochloric acid. And so again, the answer C works. And then thirdly, it needs a base, which is OH negative, and we get that from sodium hydroxide. So answer C, all three options correct. So that is our final answer.